Welcome back to Dimension Trader. This is John T. This channel is to dedicate help the trader like you to improve your trading skill in 7 days. Subscribe, like, and share if you learned something today. Let's begin. Coming down to day 7 training, emotional control skill. Why is this so important? As a trader today, we all facing a big challenge to control our emotion. When we win the trade, we will be very happy, we'll be very joy, and we'll be very believe in the positive side. But when we are lost the trade, we will feel doubt, worry, anger, rage, or even worse when we blow our account. Is that right? So when we are in the state of the dramatic emotion, how can we adjust our emotion back as short as possible so we can continue and move on? Ho'oponopono is the best technique I ever used to control my emotion while in the downside of trading. What is Ho'oponopono? Dr. Hugh Lane first introduced this psychological emotional control that's original from the Hawaii. He used this technique to heal the patient having mental issue in a hospital. The story is long, but let me show you how I apply this technique to the trading. The core of the practice is to take responsibility to every single thing, from our environment down to our mental thoughts with the material we use. Everything is treating you as a person who has character. The emotion you feel toward anything affects the outcome, and is reflected back to you. For example, if you hit a person's face, you say sorry to him. Then the person forgive you and continue the relationship, right? If someone open the door or serve you food, you say thank you to him and receive the smile reflect back to you. Everything is begin with your own responsibility. We now put the same concept into the trade. When we lost a trade with the real money, your first thought is blame the system, blame the market, blame yourself. You get return is repeating their mistake. If we put the responsibility to ourselves, we will say, I'm sorry, I'm impatient. Please forgive me, that's what I have been doing wrong. Thank you for the trade opportunity, and I love you what the trading opportunity market revealed to me. By adjust your emotional toward to the positive side, all your emotional and the focus is getting your downside back to in shape. This will give you the energy to move on to your next trade. That's pretty much about day 7 training. Let's back to some stock pick and some stock review. Today we are going to review a couple stock we have been close the position with, and the outcome of the Tesla, also the top pick that we are picking today's stock. First, we are going to review our closing position, AEHR. At the Monday, we are entered the position about 1142. When we see there is the bottom of the dimension 3, pricing coming back once, twice, along with the trend line, this is the position we are opening along with the hammer. And our target price is going to be on the top right here, or on the top right here. First of all, we have our moving upward to our target 1, and we remove our risk back to the entry. So we have no risk at this position at all. When the pricing reaching our target 2, we move our stop to the target 1 position, and we are keeping the position running till it's passing to the yesterday. Today the pricing coming down and take our target 1's stop loss for this position. As a result, the position this trade is giving us 1-to-1 winning and ratio reward, which is we enter about 1142, stop 1109, and our stop out is 1179. That is about the AEHR. Back to the Tesla. Today, we have more downward movement as our previous review. As our previous video, we are calling for the scalping short, which is right here, down to the target 1, target 2, then pricing forming the uptrend setup for the upside up to target 4. Today, the pricing dropped again down to our original long position opening. As the new view of this position is going to be viewing the setup like this. First of all, we make a trend line right here, and we are having a support with the price breaking up the dimension 3 and pricing testing the support once, twice, and the third time. At this point, this could be another long position with a stop right here. But be very, very careful for the current situation is we do not have any candlestick to confirm the stop and the rejection at this point. So if you want to go long, make sure you have your risk and reward calculated very carefully on this position. Also, I'm not real comfortable when there is new trend line been forming right here without breaking. So couple situation is not good as a long position for this point. If the long position that we're expecting to enter, we want to see the big rejection hammer or reversal candles pattern that's been forming in this area along with trend line, along with the support as where is the dimension 3 form. This is a perfect combination for the long position. So at this point, Tesla will leave it alone, and we do not have anything coming up till we see any obviously candle rejection that can help us to push the pricing higher. HRMY is our stock ticket we picked today. The setup have been found in the 30-minute chart where we have the dimension 3 being broken up, forming with a support. When the pricing comes back testing once, twice, along with a new trend line form, that happening with the candle pattern right around here. There is a big rejection. And on the 4 hour, we have the big hammer. This is what we want to see for the long position setup. So as a long position, we will open the trade. If you follow the setup according to your study, we can expecting the trade to moving toward to the upside direction when the pricing open up in 29.35, stop in 28.86, and we can aiming for 1, 2, 3, 1 to 3 winning ratio reward, which is along the top area of the dimension 1, where is the dimension 4 zone, along with the trend line that's been forming right this area. Okay, that's pretty much about today's stock review on AEHR and the expectation of the Tesla and stock pick of HRMY. If you learned one thing or two today, please subscribe, like, and share the video, and turn on your notification bell. You will not miss any of our update video in coming days. And we'll see you soon. Bye.